Okay, so I've got the side panel off the van. This is the right rear. There's the lining plywood there. That's the inside of the van. So I've cut off. I haven't had the new panel yet, so I've cut off the old panel and left a good bit on for now until I get the new panel down all the way around. So the inner wheel arch is shot along there. Goes back to about there. So I intend to cut this off all the way along here, up along there, along here. This corner's knackered. And yeah, nice hole there. It's also gone up in there. That's like the edge of this side panel. I'll just cut that bit out probably, because this panel doesn't seem too bad. It's got some filler in it, mind, but I'll cut that flange off down there probably, grind it off and weld in a new piece, because that's just holding that panel onto here. So I've got to cut out all that. I'll use the metal from the panel I've cut off, because the majority of it's alright, so I'll make up a new piece to go in there and bend it over. Put that there. The pillar here, the bottom of it's gone kaput, but I'm going to change this bottom panel because that's got a nice bit of structural fiberglass in it. Ho-ho. So I'll get a shot of that. The inner wheel arch here, which I showed you before, has gone kaput. There's the bottom of the chassis rail there. So I'll be cutting out a sizable chunk. Like so. And cut out this section here. So there's an extensive bit of tin worm. Oh yeah, and under here, this has gone kaput. There's polystyrene in there. This panel's pretty good though. So I have to cut that out. I'll cut this out here, and it's got a hole in it. Right. So I should be cutting it out to a good size along the top there. Don't know if you can see that in there. Along the top. You can see it goes through to that section there. So not too bad. It's gone rusty up here to here, but I'm going to be cutting this lip off when I get the new panel, so I can get in there and clean that up. There's a little hole there, so I could cut out a section there. I'm not sure if you can get whole panels to replace this bit. I wouldn't fancy that myself, especially because the fridge and gas bottle are behind there. So there you go.